apple, mango, orange, watermelon, grapes, strawberry, pineapple, cherry, plum, peach, kiwi, raspberry, blueberry, lemon, lime, grapefruit, pomegranate, fig, papaya, nectarine, pears, persimmon, quince, starfruit, kumquat, rambutan, jackfruit, dragonfruit, durian, mangosteen, avocado, cantaloupe, cranshaw, cassava, tangerine, feijoa, ackee, tamarillo, goji berry, physalis, cupuaçu, yuzu, soursop, abiyu. Let me know in the comments.